Today we'll be making chicken in oyster sauce, and this is a classic Chinese dish that can be made in a noticeably short amount of time. So let me show you how to make a simple dish at home. The first step is to fry the chicken. Get a frying pan ready and add in some oil. Enough for deep frying, and let the oil heat up. Once it's heated up, then we can start adding in the chicken pieces. So right here I'm using one chicken breast which I've cut into tiny cube sizes. Just add in as much as possible that you can at each time. Let it cook on one side. And when you see the color starts turning white on the bottom, half you can flip it over and cook the other side of it. And air fryers are a huge thing right now, so if you prefer a healthier option, you can just cook the meat in the air fryer. It's a much easier way to do it, but I like fried food a lot, so I'm gonna use deep frying for this. So the chicken is now cooked. I'll take it out. Then add in the next batch. Let it fry, let it cook. That is done. Now it's time to cook. So using the same oil from earlier, add in the onions. I'm using 2 medium-sized onions. You'll notice that I didn't really cut it into tiny pieces, so just about this size is fine. It's nice to have a big chunk of onion. Just stir it for a bit, let it cook. Now I'll be adding in dried chilies. So I'm using 4 dried chilies. Oops, tomato accidentally fell in, just take it out. We don't want the tomato to be too cooked, so we'll add that in later. Now adding in garlic, 3 cloves of garlic. And stir all of it together. Now add in ginger, 1 inch of ginger that has been sliced. You can see that the onions and garlic and the ginger and the dried chili that we added in has already turned slight brownish. So that's good. Then now we can add in our next ingredient, the oyster sauce. So I'll be using 1 tablespoon. Don't stir it first. Add in next is light soy sauce. This is also 1 tablespoon. And then add in dark soy sauce. I'm also using 1 tablespoon. Alright, so now we can mix all of that together. And just continuously stir it. For about 30 seconds. Now we'll add in the fried chicken pieces. So again, I used 1 chicken breast. And just stir all of it together. So you'll want to stir it for about 2 minutes or so. So at this point, when you've combined all the oyster sauce and all the other ingredients, it becomes more savory in taste. Now, I'm adding in Chinese cooking wine using 3 tablespoons. Right now, I'll be adding 2 colored capsicum in. You can add as much capsicum as you want. It gives more coloring to the dish, makes it a lot better. And capsicum should always be added in towards the end because it shouldn't cook too much. It'll become too soft. Now add in brown sugar, 1 teaspoon. And stir it for a bit. Now add in slurry cornstarch. So I use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to 3 tablespoons of water. Stir all of that, close it, and this is chicken in oyster sauce made at home. I really hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and if you liked it, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.